Good morning. It is the first day of February, and we also have a wintry mess on its way. Good morning. I am Penn State meteorologist Matt Alto. Overnight, we saw some snow showers move through the area, and temperatures hovered around the mid to upper 20s for much of the state. Here into State College, we're at 23 degrees as you wake up this morning, 24 degrees into DuPois. A little bit colder along the shores of Lake Erie. We're up to 18 degrees at this hour, as well as into Bradford. And then as we head to the eastern side of the state, temperatures right now, 20 degrees in Allentown and 29 into Philadelphia. Here's that snow that made its way through the state last night, and it's continuing to snow right now. Snow right now into the northern portions of the state. It is here once we get to the midsection of Pennsylvania, where we're seeing that snow changing over to freezing rain towards the sleet and whatnot. This is really going to be the battle zone over the next couple of days. We have some rain here down into Pittsburgh at this hour, but throughout the day we're going to see this all change into sleet and freezing rain and snow for the northern portions. This system is just the beginning stages of a bigger system here into the plains right now over Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas, as well as Oklahoma City. At this hour, I did see some OBS this morning that reported thunder snow into Dallas-Fort Worth as well as Oklahoma City. Now, we have blizzard warnings from Detroit, Michigan, all the way down here into Oklahoma City, and this storm is really going to provide some crippling effects to much of the eastern third of the United States, and this will slowly begin to make its way into our neck of the woods, and that has prompted the issuing of some winter storm warnings for much of Pennsylvania, actually indeed all of it, and these winter storm warnings are in effect until 1 o'clock p.m. on Wednesday. So let's break this down to you here. This is what it's going to turn into over the next few days. This is what you can expect. We're going to start off with snow today, especially in the northern portions of the state. But then as we move into the evening time tonight, we're going to start to see that change into ice, sleet, just a wintry mess here. This is going to be the battle zone. Anything to the south, we're going to see that ice, freezing rain, and sleet. Anything to the north will be snow as we move into tonight and into Wednesday. So if you do have to be traveling about, make sure you use caution and give yourself some extra time to get wherever you may need to be. All right, so here's the forecast for today. We're going to be seeing that wintry mix through the central portion of the state. Snow to the north. We're going to see more of that sleet and ice to the south. 30 degrees here in State College, 31 into Harrisburg, 28 into Scranton, and then we're only going to get up to 34 degrees here into Pittsburgh. Now, as we move into tonight, things are going to get interesting as that storm makes its way out of the Midwest. We're going to see temperatures hovering around 30 degrees here in State College, getting up to 34 in Philadelphia, but it's to the south here. We're going to see some freezing rain and sleet. And as we move into the central portions of the state, we're going to have that wintry mix. This is really going to be the battleground thanks to some warmer air moving in aloft. And when you have some warmer air up there, as the snowflakes begin to fall, encounters that temperatures that are above 32, it melts, and then as it hits the surface, it'll either fall as rain, then it will turn into ice, or we can have some ice pellets as well. But this is really going to be a messy situation, so if you have to be out tonight, make sure you use caution. Now, as we move into tomorrow, which is Groundhog's Day, I wonder if this weather is going to make him a little biased and maybe give us 6 more weeks of winter. The storm system is going to begin to make its way out of the region as we move into tomorrow night. We're going to be primarily rain here into Harrisburg and Philadelphia, 40 degrees in Philadelphia, as well as into Pittsburgh. We're going to get 39 degrees. Here in the central portion of the state, we're going to have a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and ice. We're going to have 35 degrees in State College. And also to the north, it's going to eventually turn into that wintry mix as well, with temperatures getting above freezing here, 33 degrees in Bradford and 32 degrees into Erie. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast. Tuesday and Wednesday is going to be those tough days. We got to get through this wintry mess. But by the time we move to Thursday, things are starting to shape up quite nicely. We're going to see partly sunny skies behind the system. Temperatures are going to be hovering into the upper mid to lower 30s, as well as the lower 20s into the northern sections. Now, as we move into Friday, we're going to see an abundance of sunshine. Temperatures still hovering around 30 degrees, but it is Saturday where we have to watch yet another storm system make its way up the East Coast. Well, thank you for tuning in this morning. I am Penn State meteorologist Matt Alto. Be safe out there, and we'll see you here another time.